Welcome to Bendigo, one of Victoria's most charming regional cities. Located just 147 kilometers north of Melbourne, Bendigo is approximately a 2-hour drive away or easily accessible by public transport. Join us as we explore this historic gold rush city's incredible attraction. We are starting our journey at the Bendigo Marketplace, the heart of shopping and local culture in the city. It's a favorite gathering place for locals and visitors alike. Time for a coffee break at Brewhouse Coffee Roasters. This popular cafe is the perfect spot to experience Bendigo's thriving coffee culture. Whether you are after a perfectly crafted espresso or a delicious breakfast, this is where locals come to start their day. Here we have the magnificent Bendigo Bank building, an architectural masterpiece that stands as a testament to the city's prosperous gold rush era. This is around the city. Standing before us is the iconic Alexandra Fountain, one of the Bendigo's most photographed landmarks. Built in 1881, this ornate fountain is a beautiful example of Victorian craftsmanship and has been a central meeting point in the city for over 140 years. Behold the majestic Sacred Heart Cathedral, one of Australia's finest example of Gothic revival architecture. This spectacular cathedral took over 100 years to complete and remain one of the largest cathedrals in the country. Its soaring spires dominate the Bendigo skyline and serve as a stunning reminder of the city's rich heritage. So this is Bendigo's vintage talking trams are a must-do experience. These beautifully restored trams offer a unique way to see the city while learning about its fascinating history. It's not just transportation, it's a journey back in time. Then we arrived at the central Deborah Gold Mine, where you can descend into the depths of a real gold mine and experience what life was like for miners during the gold rush. This mine operated for over 100 years and offers an unforgettable underground adventure that brings Bendigo's golden past to life.
So it's like a mineral, like a crystallized kind of structure, right? Iron what? Iron pyrite. Pyrite. Mostly iron. There is a little bit on here called the lifters. They lift everything up at the end, dump it into a pile for you.
Then we see the outside of the military museum. This museum honors the brave men and women who served, with fascinating exhibits spanning from colonial times to modern conflicts. Here is the visitor center, housed in the beautifully preserved historic post office building. This is your gateway to discovering everything Bendigo has to offer. And the building itself is a stunning example of Victorian architecture. Next to the building, it was Conservatory Gardens. This peaceful oasis features stunning seasonal display of flowers and plants within a beautiful glass house. But that glass house just closed. It's a photographer paradise and a tranquil escape in the heart of the city. Next to that garden is Rosalind Garden, Bendigo's premier public garden. This expensive parkland offers beautifully walking paths, historic monuments, and lush gardens. It's the perfect place for a leisurely stroll on a relaxing picnic. Then Poppet Head Lookout. From the Poppet Head Lookout, we have spectacular panoramic views across Bendigo. This heritage listed mining structure has been converted into a unique viewing platform, offering one of the best vantage points in the city to appreciate Bendigo's landscape and skyline. Here is something truly unique: the big lotus flower. This striking sculpture celebrates Bendigo's significant Chinese heritage and serves as a symbol of the city's multicultural history and the important contribution of Chinese immigrants during the gold rush era. Next to that one, there is a Golden Dragon Museum where you can discover the rich history of Chinese culture in Bendigo. So next to Big Lotus and Golden Dragon Museum, there is a nice, beautiful garden, Yuan Chinese garden. This is kind of authentic classical Chinese garden you will see around here. There's a peaceful ponds and nice designed landscape. It's a slice of China right here in regional Victoria. Then we arrived at the beautiful Lake Weeroona, a favorite recreational spot for locals, perfect for walking, cycling, or simply enjoying the water views. This scenic lake is surrounded by parklands and offers a peaceful retreat from the city center. Then it's a nice and beautiful place that Bendigo Art Gallery, one of Australia's oldest and finest regional galleries, with an impressive collection spanning from colonial times to contemporary works, including significant Australian and international pieces. It's a cultural highlight that rivals many city galleries. So far, all the places are close to the city except this one, uh, the Great Stupa of Universal Compassion, which is located around 20 minutes driving from Bendigo side of Asia. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this one. If you like this one, please like, share, and subscribe.